Hey there guys, what is going on, and welcome back to the inside of the ST150 project. We are on episode, I think, 8 or 7. I can't really remember. But anyways, we are going to be finishing off the gear stick and the gear gaiter today. So I've actually purchased a few goodies, which they have all arrived. I've got 2 gear knobs I've purchased. Let me just get this one out of the packaging. I'll just keep this a little bit safe there because it's already pre-cut to size by the manufacturer. To make sure it fits, or to make it in a standard position, because I quite like that position actually. But yeah, so these are the 2 gear knobs I have. So this is Rich Brooks Fiesta ST 5-speed, as you guys can see. It's pretty nice blue here with a little bit of leather and a little bit of silver plastic to finish it. Well, silver chrome, I think. Is that plastic? Some plastic, some metal or alloy. And to tighten it up, you got these 3 God, what they're called, hex screws in there. And we've got this one, which I probably will be using for this build, just because I like the way it looks. And I did say about maybe painting the silver trims on the inside to the Ford magnetic grey, but I don't think I'm going to do that because it'll be a little bit too dark in here. Instead, I'll just polish these up and maybe respray them in moon dust silver, which what this color was originally, I believe. But yeah, I also got this 5-speed ST. You can find these on eBay. They're quite expensive actually. They're about £40, but to be honest, they're worth it. They've got some really nice heft towards it, and yeah, they look really cool. There's different versions of these. I got the one with the red laser engravings there, and yeah, they look absolutely cool and will match that. And I think we will go with this one instead. And for the gear gaiter, we went on to, I believe is let's have a look, Concept Color, wrong way around. There we go. Nice little sticker as well. I'm not sure where I'm going to put that, but I'll definitely put it somewhere. So we went with the Alcantara and royal blue stitching to match the color theme for the interior. And just look at that. The material quality is absolutely amazing. Great stitching. So yeah, that is absolutely brilliant. So this is what we are going to be installing in today's episode. So let's get to it, guys. Right, so we have a slight problem because there are no inserts or holes where you can put these tabs through for the gear gaiter to remain. So that's going to be a little bit of a problem, but I do have an idea, which I have watched a few videos. It's not really my idea. It's actually Drive with Andy's idea, is to cut a little bit of here, that down, of the original gear gaiter cover, and use that sort of as a padding for it, and it will compress the new Alcantara Gear Gaiter towards the plastic bit and just keep it nice and round. Otherwise you just have like holes coming out and everything like that. So what I'm going to do first, guys, off camera, is just make sure it's all perfectly aligned, and because I want to avoid these being on the show, these little kinks in the carbon fiber wrapping that we've done, and I want to make sure I align the stitching correctly as well, so we have a nice I'm a little bit OCD, so we have a nice little pattern there going on. So I'll be back with that, guys, in a little bit. All right then, guys, so as you can see, we have just cut the inserts to fit over the tabs on the new gear gaiter. Just take your time with this, make sure it's perfectly aligned. It can be a little bit fiddly, so I really recommend taking your time with it, just to make sure it looks absolutely fabulous when you actually put the new cover on. So yeah, that's done, but now we have to cut the old gear gaiter, use the bottom bit of it just to make sure these don't pop out while you're on the road, because they don't really hook on that well to the underneath on the lip here. So we're going to make that a little bit better. Right then, so now it's time to finish it all off now, guys, with the new gear knobs. Now, I've already decided we're going to go ahead with this billet aluminium silver ST one, just because of it just looks absolutely amazing, and why wouldn't you? And I'll keep this one as backup. Right, so this gear knob comes with this little padding as well. You get a nice little long tube with it. This one's already pre-cut to size by the manufacturer to make sure the gear stick sits as the original one did. So we place that down in the hole, make sure it goes nice and flush down there. That's all good. Just give it a little poke, I think. There we are. Oh, no, too much. There we go. All right, so what we're going to do, line it all up and screw it in. All right, that's all lined up. Get the cover on it.
A few moments later.
And there we guys have it. It's all done and looking absolutely amazing. Really like the silver combination with the Alcantara, the blue stitching and the carbon fiber wrapping on the Gear Gaiter surround, and matching it with the with the interior of the Fiesta ST. It just really complements the look. I think it's not overly too done as well. I just think it looks just right. But yeah, guys, let me know down in the comments below what you guys think of this Gear Gaiter cover and the gear knob as well from M-Tech. But yeah, guys, absolutely amazing. Really thrilled with that. Nice little cheap mod done on the interior. Just really sets the car off, really sets the interior off, to be honest, and just makes it a much nicer place to be in. So yeah, that's going to be it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this little episode. Leave a like if you have. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care, everyone, and peace out.